Welcome to the Slide Stack, your education from start to finish. I will be showing you the logarithm properties and how they can be used. Let's first do a review of logarithms. If I say a to the b is equal to the c, another way to write the same relationship as a logarithm instead of an exponent is the logarithm base a of c is equal to b. The logarithm properties flow from the laws of exponents. Now, let's start the logarithm properties. The first log law is the product rule. This rule is where we log base b of a plus log base b of c, which equals to log base b a times c. This is only where the bases are the same. Now, let's look at an example. In this example, we have log base 2 of 8 log plus log base 2 of 32. Following the product rule, it equals to log base 2 of 8 times 32, which equals log base 2 of 256. Let's move on to the next property. The second log law looks at the quotient rule. This is where we have the log base b of a minus log base b of c, which equals log base b of a or c. Again, this is only where the bases are the same. Now, let's try this with some numbers. In this example, we have the log base 3 of 9 minus log base 3 of 81. Following the quotient law, this equals to log base 3 of 9 divided by 81. Next, let's look at the next property. The third law is the power rule. This is where you have a times log base b of c that equals log base b of c to the a power. We are simply just raising the coefficient. Let's try this with some numbers. In this example, we have 3 times log base 2 of 8, and following the property it equals to log base 2 of 8 to the third power. Now, let's look at the final logarithm property. The fourth law is the change of base law. This is where the log base b of a is equal to the log base c of a divided by log base c of b. This property allows you to change the log base to any base that is suitable. Now, let's try using some numbers. In this example, we have the log base 17 of 375, and following the property it equals to log base 10 of 357 divided by log base 10 of 17. To summarize, the product rule is used when adding the logs of the same bases. The quotient rule is used subtracting logs of the same bases. The power rule is used when we are raising the coefficient. The change of base rule is used when wanting to change the logs to any base. That's all the time in this video. Now it's your turn to practice your knowledge and answer the following questions. Good luck.